I told you your brother earlier. Very big from us.
Yes, sir.
Hola.
Hola. Eh, hola.
Make some noise.
Kulurer, tumisay ka.
Very dirty. So many trash.
It's okay.
Some tourist people disappoint this place. I think. You remember this church, ma'am? Manila
Yes,
Cathedral?
yeah.
Ayaw namin! Lopez. Yoko! massage ko.
Oh, you're welcome.
Appreciated mo.
Thank you.
And dear ma'am, Engineering University. Famous course here. But this is the church before, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
The former San Francisco Church. And your left side, ma'am, this is the Lyceum of the Philippines. It's a culinary university, ma'am. The owner is the third president in the Philippines. That one, ma'am. Oh.
Oh,
This is the Jose P. Laurel, the third president in the Philippines.
okay.
But formally, ma'am, this president called it the puppet president or government. Because he is the president during the Japanese colonial.
Oh, yeah.
And she always to follow the Japanese
Oh.
before. But this university, ma'am, this is the former site of private biggest hospital before. Hospital de San Juan de Dios.
Yeah.
Before you move in the Binondo. And in your right side, this is the Puerta del Parian. This is the old Chinatown, ma'am.
Oh, old Chinatown.
Yeah, this is the Chinatown before.
Oh.
Before was moved to Binondo. And this I told you, madam. The Destilleria Linguangco
Oh, this one.
Museum,
Oh.
established of 1852. That one,
1852.
yeah.
Oh.
And the best product here, ma'am, is a Shoktong. It's a Chinese wine, ma'am.
Oh, Chinese wine.
Wow.
Oh.
And yes, ma'am. Oh. And inside, if you want sambaya, after you shot, after you take a 6 shot, you want sambaya souvenir or wine. What do you think, ma'am?
I have to ask them.
Clark. Ma'am, sir, do you want to go to museum? No.
We
skip.
don't drink wine.
Yeah, I don't. Okay, let's go. Let's go to Esplanade. The new place connected to Intramuros.
Pare. Mga na Skydeck,
Skydeck
Intramuros,
and tomorrow's 360 view of Manila.
City Hall, the two museum, Art Museum dan Anthropology Museum.
And you see the replicated, that one ma'am, the smooth
Oh, this
surface.
one, oh, smooth one.
And over there ma'am, we have a gate, Puerta Real. Formerly, the gate of Puerta Real called it the Royal Gate because this gate exclusive for royal family or rich people.
Rich people. Oh.
Yes ma'am, it's a gate for rich people. During the Spanish colonial ma'am. And in your left side, this is the PLM University, Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila. It's a government university ma'am.
Oh.
If you pass the entrance exam here, your tuition is 100% free with allowance.
Okay.
But this university ma'am for smart people only
Oh, smart.
because you need a 90% average to take the entrance exam. And Dole, government office ma'am. Department of Labor and Employment. If you want to complain your boss in Philippines or your salary,
from
come
here.
inside.
Oh.
And do you know the newspaper ma'am?
No. Yeah.
Newspaper. This is the biggest factory of newspaper in the
Oh, yeah,
Philippines.
that's so.
Called it Manila Bulletin.
Oh.
Still operating.
Oh, still operating. Okay.
But now, ma'am, I think it's going to bankrupt.
Okay.
You know what I mean, man? Newspaper, everybody use cell phone, social media.
Yes. Oh, social media.
Newspaper is useless now. Some people use a newspaper. Old people in Philippines. Hey, yeah.
Hello.
Hola. Hola, hola. Reading boys. Buenos tardes. Now sir, we're going to Skydeck. You can see the 360 view of Intramuros. Now ma'am, we're going to Skydeck ma'am.
Okay.
But don't worry ma'am, we have an elevator.
Oh.
Yeah, because very tallest. And this is the Manila High School ma'am. The first high school in Manila.
Oh,
Established
building.
in 1893.
Okay.
Actually, this is my alma mater. Team of Fire.
Oh.
And now, ma'am, going to the Plazuela de Santa Isabel, the most historical place inside of Intramuros. Okay?
Yes.
You can see here, ma'am, the Battle of Manila and the Memorial.
Okay.
Be careful, ma'am.
Oh.
This is the former president, ma'am.
Who's this one?
From first president, Emilio Aguinaldo, and this is the last, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Okay.
The best president in the Philippines, ma'am, is the Duterte.
The third?
Yeah, the last.
Oh, the last. Oh, okay.
Because you know, ma'am, during the Duterte era, no crimes in Philippines. He killed the bad people, drug dealers, drug pushers.
Oh.
Yes. And we have a two female president, ma'am. Rosa Aquino and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. After the 6 years term of president, we put the gallery here.
Okay. Wow.
And the other side, ma'am, this is the Cuartel de Santa Lucia. This is the former site of PMA Barracks, Philippine Military Academy.
Oh.
If you want to become a policeman before or military,
Yeah.
you must train in here, ma'am.
Oh.
Yeah. But now using for the headquarters for military.
Oh.
Because now, ma'am, the PMA was already moved to Baguio City. Because this place is small capacity. But formerly, ma'am, called the PC Barracks.
Cigarette. Oh.
Yeah. Philippines Constabulary Barracks. By the way, ma'am, do you drink wine?
Not really.
Not really. But do you want to experience the wine distillery here, ma'am?
Okay.
The most interesting wine museum here, ma'am. Destilleria Limtuanco Museum. So many famous wine like mango rum, chocolate wine, coffee wine.
Coffee wine?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
And mango and chocolate wine. And mango rum. Different wine, ma'am.
Made in Philippines?
Made from, because the museum is, ma'am, the museum is Chinese museum.
Oh,
ma'am.
oh.
Destilleria Limtuanco Museum, the oldest museum in Philippines, established of 1852. That one, ma'am, I'll show you the map. This is the Destilleria Limtuanco Museum. The museum, ma'am, offering the 100 pesos for 6-shot glass. Yeah. And in your right side, ma'am, sir, this is the Baluarte de San Diego, the second famous attraction in Intramuros. Because the first attraction here, sir, is Port Santiago. And these two places, we have an admission fee, 75 pesos only. And actually, ma'am, this is the San Diego. This is the former 30 feet watchtower before. But the 30 feet watchtower destroyed in the earthquake. And during the 1941 to 1945, this is the barracks of Japanese. It became a torture chamber. This is the torture chamber before for Filipino. Yes. Do you want to go inside, sir? You see this place. The
Yes, because of the tactics also by the American. Because the tactics of the American here, during Second World War II, the Intramuros is totally invaded by the Japanese. And the only way tactics of the American is bombing. Because it's really too hard to going inside the American. The tactics of the American is bombing, that's why so many destroyed during here in the 90% of the structure of Intramuros is destroyed during war. But only one lucky survivor structure. That one, ma'am. That's a church, the oldest stone church in the Philippines. Because you know, ma'am, the priest of the San Agustin painted a white cross in the rooftop. That's why it's not bombing by the airplane of the US. Because he towed a hospital. Yeah, that's why that's the only one not bombing.
Yeah.
Yes, and this is the massacre of Intramuros.
Also true.
So many infants died during war.
So sad.
This is the last standing man fighting the American here in the part of Manila, Sanji Iwabuchi, the real admiral from the Japanese Imperial. But this man is not killed during battle because you know, because of the low soap, the Sanji Iwabuchi commit a suicide in February 26, 1945. You know the pride of the Japanese, right? Much better to kill yourself,
Yeah, then
not to surrender.
taken alive.
And this is the first you came here. In here.
Yeah,
The Manila.
Yeah, the
Capital.
Manila.
Also destroyed by the airplane bombing or artillery. And this is the massacre of Intramuros.
So sad.
Because you know, ma'am, that's why so many killed civilian because of the Japanese. He wants to revenge to American, but he not revenge. The only way to revenge is kill a civilian in the part of Manila. That's why 100,000 almost 100,000 civilian. And this is the victims of the Japanese. That one is victim of beheading by the katana, but he played that, and victim of rape, and she ran and he threw a grenade at her face. Victim of flamethrower. That one. That's why you can see all of the parts of building here in Intramuros.
And before, ma'am, the Philippines is a Muslim country, ma'am.
Okay.
Before the Spanish came here.
No.
The religion in Philippines is during the 15th century is 80% Muslim, 20% is Catholic. But the Spanish brought the religion of Catholic here.
Okay.
That's why right now it's 80% Catholic, 20% is Muslim. And that one, ma'am, BPI Bank. This is the church before. It's a church before, ma'am. former site of Santo Domingo Church. You see over there, ma'am.
Yes. Santia.
And that one red building, ma'am, this is the first oldest university in Philippines.
Oh, first you know?
This is the former site of UST University.
Oh.
University of Santo Tomas, established of 1611. And before, ma'am, inside of Intramuros, we have a 7 church
Seven church. Oh, okay.
and 7 university.
Oh,
But now, ma'am, we have only 2 church and 4 university.
oh.
Because some church and university destroyed in the Battle of Manila
Oh.
in 1945. And that one, ma'am, is a Colegio de Santa Rosa. This is school exclusive for girls only.
Oh.
That's why color pink. But this school, ma'am, is already closed
Oh.
because bankrupt during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Oh.
Now we're using for the parking slot inside. Sorry about this road, ma'am.
Oh, it's okay.
Called it massage road, ma'am. A little bit massage, ma'am.
It's okay.
But don't worry, ma'am. Our Philippine Lamborghini against the world. Okay? By the way, ma'am, do you know the national hero in the Philippines?
No.
Dr. Jose Rizal.
Oh,
I
okay.
can explain you, but that's why Dr. Jose Rizal, ma'am, the national hero in the Philippines. Because Rizal, the one and only, fighting to Spanish before,
Oh.
using pencil and paper only.
Oh.
And she wrote the novel, Noli Me and El Pili, to open the mind of Filipino to the wrong government of Spanish, to fight back to Spanish
Oh, okay.
revolution.
Yeah,
And
revolution.
do you know, ma'am, Dr. Jose Rizal speak almost 22 languages.
Really?
Very smart
Oh.
people, madam. And the national hero once lived on the site from 1879 to 1882.
Oh.
Walking distance only to University of Santo Tomas.
Okay.
Because the national hero, ma'am, is
Yeah.
studying here. Let's go, dito. Hola. Do you speak Spanish, ma'am?
No.
Hola. Hola, señora. Hola, gada. Buenas tardes. How many languages do you speak, ma'am?
2.
English.
You sliding like you a blue bubble late night. I'm stuck on that stuff. Screen glow, heart rate too much. I shouldn't overthink, but I kinda just might. You say my name and my face gets warm. It's wild how a text feels like a thunderstorm.